Connect USB Type-C enabled devices, MacBook, Nintendo Switch, Chromebook Pixel, Galaxy Note 7, etc. with standard USB Type-C 2.0 enabled devices and accessories, smartphones, wall, car charger, multi-port adapters, etc. Power output up to 60 W, up to 480 megabits per second data transfer speed. USB if certified, meets safety standards of the USB 2.0 international standard. Ideal for charging and powering USB Type-C enabled devices, as well as syncing data, photos, and music. Reversible design. Easily insert the connector into any Type-C enabled device. Does not matter which side is up, for worry-free charging and transferring. Ideal addition to any computer setup at home or elsewhere. Perfect for making your new device compatible with existing accessories. Catch up with trend of technology. Keymox exclusive design, force discharge and flexible, proven to be stronger than other USB-C cables. Length: 6 feet, 1.8 meters. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy cable and does exactly what it was advertised to do. Nothing to complain about here. The cable is noticeably thicker and sturdier than another USB-C to USB cable I have that is only USB 2.0 compliant. I feel safer using this cable when charging at high wattage. USB 3.0 speeds work fine as advertised as well. The ends are a bit longer though, but I count that as a plus because it means it's built better. I only bring it up if you have space concerns with a device you'll be using this cable with.